In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know.
Sila na lang pagaganyanin ko. Sila na lang. May plancha naman yung kapatid ko. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Doon kami sa harapan.
Should know you, the only true God, the one whom you sent, Jesus Christ. I glorified you on earth, Father, with you, with the glory that I had with you before the world began. Pwede ka gamitin na kasama kayo.
Tanging alay ay binigyan ang tulad ko. Dapat
Magkaroon tayo ng misa, bawat hindi na pangkulan ng mga nakarangan. The Holy Spirit. You must send and go, glorifying the Lord by your life.
Ala, bebe naman.
Wala pa si China.
Oo nga, bakit wala?
Ate, yung isa, ako nanguha yung isa mo.
Ay, bakit?
Dalawa yun, di ba?
Julie Bestoy, our check coordinator. Marites G. Gabriel, PSA, PSHRM, MIT, PSIT Program Chairperson.
Programs under the Commission on Higher Education. 8. For Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
In the beginning of one another, we are reminded that success is not inherited, it is earned.
From the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Ate Diana Irish Gala, Young Entrepreneur of the Year. The awarding of diplomas to the graduates.
Ating Diana Irish Gala.
Alcarda Jezreel Joy Roma.
Support and dedication. Your leadership has inspired us to grow.
Hindi tayo maabutan ng bus. Hoy Jaira, huwag ka namang umiyak. Hoy, pengi ng isa.
Before we proceed to the pictorials, let us watch on the same day edit video.
Yes, we're here na.
Bato-bato na lang.
Mga biyahilo tong mga handi dito, oh. Ano? Oh. Ah? maligo. Pangit maligo. Oh? Mabato din? Oh, high tide. Oh, Guys, ito yung breakfast ko. Yung tirang pandesal pa sa bahay. Tapos yan, with bread, ngat-ngat ng pusa. Ito pala yung aming sa hotel. Let's eat. Ganda. Oh, lakas ang alon. Ay, ano po? Ano to? Pugita po?
Octopus sa English. Pag Tagalog, pugita. Pag Ilocano, purita.
Purita.
Apo.
Taas mo nga dan.
Pamilyan. I-itso ko kay tita video nyo.
Ay, ipitan ka yan, Gian. Ewan ko sa'yo. Nakatali ba?
Malalaki po ba?
Na matatanggalin yung sabi ko may
Kung malalaki po? Pwede naman po. Pwede naman po.